You just came across a video on YouTube that is going to change your life. Welcome to Ohio Shaves. I'm using a Merkur 34c with a feather blade. Both of these are highly sought after in the wet shaving community. So here we go. It is so invigorating to lather up soap on your face to shave. I'm totally addicted to it now, and I've only been doing this for a little over a month. I went on Amazon to stock up on razors, and I came across an ad for safety razors. So I opened it up. I read a little bit. Hey, this was done way back in the early 1900s, and I'm like, wow, what in the world? And I do recall seeing those as a kid, like in my grandpa's, bathroom. So I went to YouTube and I started watching videos, and sure enough, hey, this is starting to make a comeback. I think a lot of people realize that those razors that we use every day with the 5 blades in them, they are destroying our face, especially mine. Hell, I can't even shave against the grain on my neck with one of those, or I'm gonna have razor burn galore. What I have found out over the past month is I can now shave against the grain on my neck. I don't have ingrown hairs down there anymore, and my skin is looking very, very good. And I live in Ohio, and it's winter now, so my skin normally looks, especially my face, it's all dried up because it's so cold outside. I am performing a traditional wet shave, which is I lather up 3 times. First pass, I go with the grain. Second pass, I go across the grain. Third pass, I go against the grain on my face. I know. It sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Keep watching. So the first pass is complete. Now I'm gonna rinse my face off, lather up, and do it all over again. The difference now is I've already taken down 1 layer of my beard, which means the second shave is going to be fast, slick, and easy. Pay attention. Now we're gonna get up close and personal. Watch how easy this blade glides across my skin and how efficient it is removing the hairs on my face. Amazing. Come on, America. What are you waiting for? You can't make this stuff up, guys. Look how smooth that is. It's unbelievable. You're going to be amazed. You can't get this close with your razor. Under your nose, that was always my hardest area. I'd always flip it around and use the little safety razor blade on the back of it. And that didn't even work that great. Look how close this is. And it's only my second pass. Wow. So my neck is my most sensitive area on my shave, and it probably is for you too, especially if you get hair on your neck, if you're a man just like me. Is it starting to make sense, gentlemen? I mean, this is so effortless. You have to agree. It's way easier than what you're using. So subscribe. I have other videos that show you how to shave against the grain, and I have another video that's pretty good as well. This could get bloody. It shows you how the hairs on your face actually grow. Here we go, the third and final pass. We're gonna get real close again, and I'm gonna tell you what, it's BBS, baby butt smooth. If you want a better shave with no skin irritation, no ingrown hairs, switch over to wet shaving, because I'm telling you right now, it's the way to go. Switching to this method has saved me over $500 a year, period. It was simple for me. I got a better shave and it was way cheaper. And I'm doing something that we did way back when, and I like that. I would suggest you hit the links below to take you to Amazon and try this risk-free. Remember, there's free returns on Amazon. You cannot lose. So let's get started. I have several videos with different razors, different soaps, different blades. So go ahead and click those right now and let's start that journey.